gross.
Yeah.
I may put it on upside down. Oh my god, that's horrible.
Doesn't get any better. Especially when
Good
there's
enough.
mold.
Wait, there's mold on it?
Sometimes.
It's like a piece of wood.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the reed.
From here.
Maybe upside down again. And I don't know if I have that bracket the right way. Tighten that up a little bit. I watched one video so far, so in like full disclosure here, this is how you make your mouth go like that. And then make like a D sound, like do, and the reed right there, right there. Assuming, don't want to over tighten it, just enough. Put this back on, what are you calling this there, Kieran? Gooseneck. Okay, so far so good. That's some cork. I don't think that's on far enough. This is a, if you're interested, a Yamaha. Make a nice motorcycle as well.
There's a
Okay.
cap. There's a cap.
This
You gotta
thing
take it
goes
out.
right in here, I'm assuming. Loosen that up.
He didn't take the cap. Keep going, keep going.
Whoop, almost took my eyeball out. Oh, take the black thing out. Yeah, all right. Okay, I think we're ready to do this. No, there's a next strap too, but
You might want.
should I go for the next strap?
Yeah.
Gotta get the full meal deal here. I'm just gonna lay it back there. Make for some quality video.
They're like $3 for the next trip.
Yeah, this doesn't look very
Gives a new read every time you play.
nice.
No. If you do that,
This goes over the main. I have, no, that's not happening. I bought insurance for it too.
No,
$6
it's
a month.
Oh, shit, yeah. This is
Oh, well.
awesome.
Get on with it. Here we go. This, yeah, were you saying, Maria?
Oh, he was asking me about the price.
This one, I asked about this one particular brand, 2300. This is their entry level one. I was trying to like wheel and deal because Amazon you can get one for $670. Okay, there's my thumb hook. Just looking for your approval. No, this is going to be sweet. This is how you do it, people. Ah. Okay, back to the thumb hook. This one goes there. Oh. Hey, not bad. All right, there we go.
Well, that's double time for me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's like a cross between that Sonny Rollins and Stan Getz.
For like the first day.
I'm going to do more of that at home. Thank you.
Still recording. It's recording.
Oh, what number is the reed?
Oh, yeah, because, yeah.
Well, this said 4C on it.
No, that's not mouthful.
Okay.
I think it's mouthful.
You got everybody hanging on here. 2. Okay, cool. All right, we'll see what happens here over the next few weeks and over the next few months. I have my whole, what do I want to say, introduction to my study that I got going up here. So I'm going to be typing that up and drafting it up like you were the other day. And you're going to continue on with that today and then move on to the next piece. And I'm looking at, we had to do this today. So our schedule for today, we'll be getting into hopefully stating the purpose of your project, right? And really trying to persuade us that this is worth spending time on.